Okay, in my previous video, I showed you that I made 106% ROI on this trade up here between Bitcoin Gold and Ethereum. Now, before I could do that trade, I had to exchange some Bitcoin for Bitcoin Gold. So let's just have a look what I did. So as you can see here, the trade is complete, but I started with this much Bitcoin. Okay, so I want to see if I've lost any Bitcoin by exchanging it to Bitcoin Gold and then doing the trade where I got 100.6% ROI. So let's see how that panned out. So I'm going to copy this number and I'm going to take that first over to here and put that in the original number in this calculator. Okay, then I'm going to come back to Johnny Blockchain. I'm going to close this and I'm going to go up to trade and down to my portfolio. So here I am on my portfolio, and I ended up with Ethereum after that 100% ROI in HIT BTC. So I'm going to click on this button here and I'm going to go to the drop down menu and look for HIT BTC and click go. And what I'm going to do is look for Ethereum. There it is there. I'm going to click on sell, and then in here I'm going to put in BTC, Bitcoin. So it's telling me that if I exchange the new Ethereum that I've got for this amount here, okay, and if I take that and I pop that into this calculator, put the new number in there, I'm actually going to increase my Bitcoin by 13%. So I originally started with Bitcoin this amount, I exchanged it for Bitcoin Gold, and then I exchanged the Bitcoin Gold for Ethereum, and now I'm putting the Ethereum back into Bitcoin, which is what I originally started with, and I'm going to make 13.81%. So I'm just going to do that trade. So I click on these scales, use my balance, click buy. And then all I need to do is I can either click this link here to go over to my root screen, or click OK, and then come up to trade, and then go down to my routes. And this trade's in progress. So what that's going to do is it's going to increase my Bitcoin holding by, what was I saying? 13.81%. So I started down here. If I just close this, just to show you the path again. I started with this trade, okay? I wanted to get some Bitcoin Gold and I didn't have any. So I used Bitcoin, and I used this amount of Bitcoin to buy Bitcoin Gold. And then I did this trade, which increased my Ethereum. Then I'm using the Ethereum to put it in back into Bitcoin, and after that trade is completed, I would have increased my Bitcoin by 13.81%. Now, I don't know about you, but that's just mind-blowing. So let's see how the trade's doing. So it looks to me like it's complete. So I close that, refresh the screen. That trade is complete. Okay, so if I go over to HIT BTC, so once I'm here, click on Bitcoin, then go to ETH, so that's Ethereum, click on that. That loads the trading for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if I go down, I can see that I've got no active trades. And if I go to the field, there's my trade completed there. It's just mind blowing. So I've increased my Bitcoin from original trade by 13.81%. I'm just blown away. I really am. Now, if you want to make trades like the one I just did, you can come and join us here at Johnny Blockchain. So if you go over to johnnyblockchain.com, the link's in the description. And once you're on this page, you can actually set up a 14-day free trial. So you'll get access to all of our arbitrage and all of our portfolio management and our trading system for 14 days completely free. And we'll also give you some free trading credits so that you can start trading straight away once you've connected your exchanges. Obviously, to join for free, just click on this button. You'll get this pop up, and then from this drop down menu, make sure you choose the starter account. Create your free account today, and I'll speak to you in another video. You have an amazing day and happy trading.